Hello everyone, Sunny is here from Royal Language Academy. I hope you're healthy and as happy as ever. Welcome back to the fifth and last video from Simple Past Tense. Today we're going to go through a test. In the first place, we're going to find out some mistakes or common mistakes in these sentences, and afterwards we move on and complete some other sentences, and finally we write a couple of questions. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get started. Alright guys, let's take a look at this part. We need to find some common mistakes in this list of sentences. Let's take a look at number one. Number one is this. Did you have fun at the weekend? So what is the mistake exactly? Of course, whenever we have did in one sentence, we need an infinitive verb. So this verb should be changed to did you have fun at the weekend? So we need to change this to have. Okay. Number two, what did you watch on TV yesterday? So look at here, we have yesterday, so it is past. And we have did here. So in this sentence, we need an infinitive verb, means a verb without ed. So the right answer is this. What did you watch, not watched, on TV yesterday? Because it is simple past. And number three, do you write an email last week? So take a look at this part. We have got that verb of time here. It is last week. So it signifies that it is about past, simple past. So for simple past, we normally use did in order to make a question. So do will be changed to did. Did you write an email last week? Yes, I did, or no, I didn't. Number four, where was you go on holiday? Yeah, the sentence looks very funny, of course. So whenever we have got a main verb like go, so definitely in order to make a negative sentence or question form, we need to bring did. So here, where did you go on holiday? So was and where, as you know, they are helping verbs. So whenever we have was and where in one sentence, in order to make a negative or in order to make question form, we can use was and where themselves, right? So here we've got a main verb. Because we have a main verb, we need an auxiliary verb in order to make a negative or question form. So where did you go on holiday? Next one, number five. Who did your brother play with in the morning? Yes, we have did here. So whenever we have got a did in one sentence, we need an infinitive verb. It means a verb without ed. So, who did your brother play with in the morning? And next one, number six. What do you eat for breakfast this morning? So right now is afternoon or noon or evening. So morning for us over here is about past. So if you have got a sentence in the past, instead of do, we need to use did. So what did you eat for breakfast this morning? And number seven. What was your sister do last weekend? So take a look at this sentence. In this sentence, we have got a main verb, right? So whenever we have got a main verb in simple past tense, in order to make question or negative, we need to bring did, correct? So what was will be changed to did. So what did your sister do last weekend? Maybe she did her homework. And number 8, did your friend spoke to you last night? Okay, we've got that verb of time and it is last night. So it is about past. And I need to bring did. Of course, I have it here. Did your friend. And as you know, whenever we bring did in one sentence, the verb should become infinitive verb. It means without ed, right? A simple verb. So, did your friend, instead of spoke, I need to write speak. Did your friend speak to you last night? Yes, he did. Or no, he didn't. Okay, let's watch a movie to understand this part much better.
Lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. What's right. The world is dead, but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we're surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light.
When I was 16, I was completely in love with this guy. He played guitar, and I ran away from home and went to San Francisco so I could go live with him. Yeah, he convinced me I had a beautiful voice, and I dreamed of becoming a singer.
I love San Francisco.
Yeah, he was my first love. Probably the only one.
Must have been a great guy.
I don't know. He may have been. It didn't last long enough for me to find out. Yeah. Truth is, I can't even remember what he looked like.
Really?
Yeah.
That's too bad.
My dad showed up, actually.
Yeah,
he came in. I was in trouble. He yanked me back to Chicago. Yeah. He was sick, and he had these dreams of me becoming a doctor. Yeah. You know, and eventually they became my dreams too. And he was right. You know, I feel good helping people. Then he died.
All right, let's take a look at this part. We need to complete these sentences. The first one, last summer my friend and I, so I need to use these verbs in these parts, blank parts. So last summer, it is about past. My friend and I is plural. My friend and I, blah, blah, around the city. So I need to use go. What is the past of go? Past of go is went, of course. So last summer, my friend and I went around the city. We, blah, blah, ourselves. So I need to use enjoy. What is the past of enjoy? Enjoyed. Correct. We enjoyed ourselves. Number 2, my grandmom an email yesterday. So it is about past. So we normally send an email, right? So what is the past of send? Of course, it is an irregular verb. Past of send is sent. I sent my grandmom an email yesterday, but she, blah blah, how to open the attachment. So definitely is a kind of negative sentence. And I'm going to make a sentence with no. This is the verb I have. So I need to bring didn't. So, but she didn't. And after didn't, I need to bring an infinitive verb, means without ed. She didn't know how to open the attachment. And number 3, my PC means personal computer. My PC was making a strange noise. Look, was making a strange noise. It is about past, right? So I blah blah using it and blah blah it off. So whenever your PC starts making noise, definitely you turn it off. It means you stop using it, right? So this sentence is about past. So my PC was making a strange noise. I stopped using it and turned it off. Okay, that's simple past. And let's take a look at these two sentences. We need to write a question. We have got the words here, where, that, save, the photos, on the PC, and did. Because it is a question, so definitely I need to start with WH question that I have here. So I start with where. Then I need to bring our auxiliary verb. So what is the auxiliary verb in past? Did, of course. Where did. And then I need my subject. So where did that. Then I need my verb, main verb. Where did that save? So after the verb, I need an object. Where did that save the photos on the PC? Correct. So here we go. So whenever we have got a WH question and we have got did, so WH question should come at the beginning of the sentence and then we bring did. So where did, then I need subject. Where did that, then I need the main verb, save, and then the object, the photos on the PC. Next one. Yesterday, why go did cousins, you and to and your house. So again, we have got WH question word, right? So why, I bring it here. After that, I need my auxiliary verb. Why did. Then I need my subject. Why did. So why is gone, did is gone, right? I need a subject, you. Why did you? Afterwards, I need my main verb. So what is the main verb? We're over here. So why did you go? Then go where? Go to, I have it here. To where? To your cousin's house. And then I need that verb of time. Yesterday. So in order to make sentence, especially negative sentence in the past, and when I have a WH question word, first I bring the WH question, then I bring my auxiliary verb, after that I bring my subject, then I bring my main verb, and finally my object and adverb. Adverb of time and adverb of place. So let's take a look at here. Here we have last summer, my friend and I went around the city. We enjoyed ourselves. It's all about past. I sent my grandmom an email yesterday, but she didn't know how to open the attachment. And next one, my PC was making a strange noise, so I stopped using it and turned it off. And finally, the questions with WH questions were, where did Dad save the photos on the PC? And why did you go to your cousin's house yesterday? That's all about simple past.
We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in. I'm falling. The cityscape by night. Wanna catch.
Alright guys, great job. That's all for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed that and you learned something. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment field below. And if you're not on my channel and you're not subscribed, please go back and watch the previous videos. If you enjoyed them, please get back, subscribe, like, and leave comment. Thank you so much for your time, and see you soon in another video. Take a lot of care. Ciao.
When the bombs scream until our last breath.